Hi, welcome to the Java programming tutorial. Last tutorial we looked at mouse listener, and so we could click and do different things with the mouse. What we're going to look at today is mouse motion listener, and we're going to use it for drag and drop. And so what we're going to do is we're going to implement the mouse motion listener just the same way as we did for mouse listener. Right, this is the main program. You can see that we added to the main program add MouseMotionListener and the class it was in. I'm going to MouseListener. I'm going to comment this out because we're not going to use MouseMotionListener, but you can use both at the same time. And so what I'm going to do here is implement MouseMotionListener. Yes, mouse at the beginning. Now what we need to do is import the path and the two methods that come with it. So I'm just going to do this quickly and assume that you know you've seen this done before. So the two methods for mouse motion listener will appear at the bottom. Now we've got a white square and it's got an x coordinate and a y coordinate, and we've used a variable called x1 and y1. So we're going to use these in the drag and mouse drag, and so and what we're going to do, x1 equals this e here, e dot get x method, and so that's going to this is going to get the x position of the mouse pointer, and it's going to equal that to x1, but we don't want that the square to be drawn from this coordinate, because that's the top left hand corner, and so we want it in the center. And so the way we would do that is by -50, and so we're just going to do the x coordinate first so you can see it working, and the next step is we need to add the same as this here, but we need to add this dot add mouse motion. If we save this, run the program, okay, then again, and what should happen is we can just move the square and the x coordinates with the mouse. So if I click here, it should jump, the square should jump into the center when we move it. So we'll change the code so that doesn't happen. Now we're going to do the y coordinates. So no, it's just the same code, but obviously it's y1, and it's get y and -50 again. So if I save the program, done, and now we can move it up and down anywhere we want because we've got x and y. And notice the square is in the center for x, but it's not in the center for y. We'll look at that later. Right. Okay. Right. So that's us able to move it about. Right. And so I'm going to stop now, and we're going to do another tutorial on it. So that's how we implement mouse motion listener, and we use it for drag and drop. We're going to drop it in a certain area, and if it doesn't drop in that area, it will jump back to where it came from. So again, thank you for your time. I hope that's been of some use to you. And I hope that you can hear the video, because I've got myself a pop filter, and so let me know if you can, you can hear it. Okay, thank you.